Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox jeans. We'll start by understanding the essential template dimensions, which are crucial for a perfect fit. Then, we'll prepare your chosen design software to create stunning textures. Finally, I'll guide you through the straightforward Roblox Studio upload process, ensuring your custom jeans are ready for the world to see. Let's get started on crafting your unique denim designs. Now, let's dive into designing your jeans texture. It's vital to use a template with precise dimensions, specifically 585 pixels by 559 pixels, for accurate placement. Carefully create distinct sections for the legs, waist, and pockets. Focus on adding realistic denim textures, subtle shading, and any unique details to make your jeans truly stand out. Precision in this step ensures a professional final product. Once your design is complete, it's time to upload it to Roblox Studio. First, save your finished texture as a high-quality PNG file. This format preserves transparency. Next, navigate to the Create section on the Roblox website. From there, you can upload your custom texture. Always test your new jeans on a dummy avatar within Studio to check for any alignment issues or unexpected appearances before proceeding. For the final steps, focus on refinement and publishing. Carefully adjust colors and small details to achieve an optimal appearance, ensuring everything looks just right. Double-check that your texture aligns perfectly on the avatar, with no stretching or misplacement. Once satisfied, you can set a price for your creation. Finally, publish your custom jeans, making them available for other Roblox players to purchase and enjoy. Congratulations on your new design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.